Hi there. I'm standing in my bedroom and I'm thinking about maybe remodeling it. I'm not really sure what I'll have room to do as far as where to move the bed and where to put the dresser. And so I thought I might make a to scale drawing. If I was going to measure my bed, for example, and put it on a piece of paper, I would need a paper that was as big as this room. But when we're drawing things to scale, we use different increments of measurements to represent others. For example, if my room is 10 feet wide, I could make 1 inch on my paper equal to 1 foot, so that this whole piece of paper could represent the space available in my room. Using the same scale, if I measured my bed behind me, and my bed was 4 feet wide, then on my sheet of paper, I would draw 4 inches to represent how big the bed was. And somewhere on my paper explain that 1 foot is represented by 1 inch. Architects and all sorts of other careers that involve drawing up blueprints or plans use scale drawings. And for this assignment, you're going to be doing something similar, but with time. Using a household item, like a piece of paper or this toilet paper here, we're going to try to capture how incredibly old the Earth is, right? So since the beginning of Earth's formation to the very present moment, now, was represented by this long piece of toilet paper, this long piece of toilet paper would be about 4.5 billion, 4.6 billion years old. So if I was going to make a scale drawing of this, I might have each foot represent, right, 1 billion years. So 0.5 billion years would be 6 inches. And 1/4 billion years would be 3 inches. So our goal for this assignment is to find a way to represent some of the events that are listed below. For example, Earth forms would start right here at the very beginning of my toilet paper. My oldest rock is about 4 billion years old. So a little over 0.5 billion years later, I'll put that about 6 inches over this way. As I go through time, I see different things emerge, like single cell organisms, multiple cell organisms, vertebrates, eventually, right, Pangea, getting all the way up to me, right? I represent a very small time on Earth compared to rocks, for example. So that's what we're doing today, and you can actually write the different events on the toilet paper using measurements, right, to help you scale them, so that even though we're fitting 4.6 billion years on this roll of toilet paper here, we're actually spacing events as they would happen to scale throughout Earth's history.